Hello again, everyone. Welcome back. All right, today finally got all the plastics on, as in the previous video. Even the new number plate came in. So, got all new graphics, all new numbers, all new plastics. Plastics are on, graphics are going. So, we'll see how long this takes. I think this is the first time I've ever done the entire bike. So, we'll see. But, get a good idea what's going to go on here. All right, so let's see. Number plate, all new black plastics. I don't know, I've never gone black before on the bike, so just thought I'd give it a try, something new, something different. I think it'll be all right. Hopefully picked out some cool colors for all the graphics. Some down here. I think I've just sort of got a mix of different things, mostly FX, as you can see here. A few more. A few more. And then the icing on the cake. New numbers. It's gonna look sweet. So stay tuned. We'll see how this goes. Tools. Well, I've got a heat gun I use down here to help put these guys on. It's still kind of cool. It's a little warmer today, so that's why I'm out. Also got secret solution for putting on graphics. Not really secret. It's mostly water, a little bit of dish soap, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That way you can spray it on the back of the graphics, and then once you put it on the plastic, you can slide it all around, get it in place, and it'll dry pretty quickly, but not too quickly. And then just along with that, I've got an old driver's license that I use as a kind of a, I don't know, what do you call it, a scraper, just to get all the bubbles out of the graphics once you put them on. So it's probably going to take a little while, so let's see how it goes, and I think it'll turn out pretty good. So stay tuned, here we go. All right, so I've got almost all the graphics on. So new graphics, new numbers, and we can go take a look at it. So I don't know. I think it looks okay. I say almost. The FX graphics kit that came had airbox graphics covers for both sides of the airbox, left and right, that match, kind of match this KTM orange, white, blue-ish. I think it looked pretty good, but for now I've just chosen to stick with the stock airbox cover that still says 300XC. Not that I really care if people know what it is, but so new numbers look pretty sharp, I think. Added a few extra things onto the front fender just to give it a little more color. You can see this side. So I don't know, say all in all, I'm surprised it only took as long as it did. A few hours, I guess. Just kind of, I don't know, I was unorganized, took my time, but not a big deal. The heat gun, the solution to spray on there, so you can move the stickers around once you get them on there. The heat gun was just sort of the key here. A little cooler weather, but just adheres and loosens up everything, sticks really well, conforms. So there we are. All right, and as always, thanks again for watching. And any questions, comments, criticisms, leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them. So be safe out there. See you soon.